Hey, what's up everyone, HNX here. So today, I got a 3D printer and I'm going to be setting it up and making some stuff with it. So yeah, let's get started. So, that. And that. So, maybe take these off so we can actually take this out of the box. Do you have a razor blade?
Knife.
Ooh.
Nice.
Right now it is 4:04:45 seconds. So I got the micro SD card that I want to print with. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in there. Go print. Turn it off. And I think I'm gonna start printing if it works. If it works, it might not have that printing thing.
Yeah, a friend named Lyle. I told wait. There's CD. That was the first way they
Why is it taking so long?
But I will laser shoot you from now on. And you will never
From
be
now
alive.
on, I will not be blinded by the lights.
Well, I have the micro SD card. What I'm going to do is go ahead and stick it in. There's a little slot right there that you can stick it in. I'm going to go to print and that thing. Now I'm going to click what we're going to print. Printing.
Says it's printing.
Yep. Printing time 0. Yep.
Oh wow. Okay.
Ooh. Auto leveling. And I have to do that 1, 2, 3, 9 times.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that
Oh,
thread.
yeah, it's like... It's
No,
like-
it's drawing the line.
Yeah, it's supposed to do that. So what you gotta do next is you gotta watch this up here. Because,
Look
this...
what it's doing.
Uh-oh. That's not... I don't think that's working. Something's wrong there.
Maybe the bed's not supposed to be. Huh? Oh, the bed's. Is it hot, the bed?
It's not. Something's wrong.
The bed's too hot, maybe.
No. No. It's, something's wrong with the,
With what?
it thinks that the bed is higher than it is. Okay.
So
Man,
we figured it
that
out.
was rough. We think we figured it out, though. That took a
We're
while.
gonna press print now. Print it. Yeah, it immediately started this time.
It's a little closer.
Yep. You see it's
Nice.
sticking
Yeah,
now.
it's sticking better now.
Why does it print that line like right there?
I don't know. Oh, because it's out of the range. It has to print it where we're not going to be using. There we go. Looks like it's going to do it good. I don't know.
Oh!
Drawing a circle around it.
That's perfect.
That's pretty cool. Huh. That's neat.
Oh, it's printing it.
I don't know.
Printing whatever it is.
It's printing the rib cage of the skeleton now.
Oh yeah.
Hard to see on this side.
No, it's printing the bottom part.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's like tiny legs. That's the head.
Oh
Wow.
my, that's perfect.
So do you see what it's doing? It's printing it in layers. So a layer, do you know why? So why isn't it just printing one of those?
One hole.
Why isn't it just printing one at a time?
Because then, well, first of all, that part might bump.
Don't touch it.
I'm not. That
If you
part
touch
might
it,
bump.
you'll, yeah. So it's doing it because it has to slowly go up, but it doesn't want to go back
It's
up.
3% done. This looks so cool.
Wow.
It took 32 minutes to
Oh
print.
my gosh. It's done now.
Confirm. Oh, you're supposed to wait for the bed to cool to take it off.
Okay, yeah. Alright, let's wait for that to cool, but it's done. Dude. See. You see it?
That's
You see?
so.
Look at that. That is so neat. The skeleton. So it messed up the hands, right? Yeah. Show 'em?
Is it cool?
It's cool enough.
Oh, it's one of
It's
them.
cool enough.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's stuck to the.
Yeah. It's
Wait, pick up the
it's
camera.
kind of messy.
Take that off the
So it's your first print, so it's probably gonna be kind of messy. But dude, look at that detail. The skeleton face. Does the head work? Oh. So you might have to
Probably
like
not.
get a knife and. Oh, it works. Ha! Look at that. Show 'em. Show 'em, let me see.
It can even turn around.
You can twist.
Can I hold
Wow.
It's just like wait. Let's see if it'll go. If I'll let go, will go on its head.
On set, okay.
Yes.
Right here.
So we have it. I'm gonna see if a Lego will go on its head. Oh, yep.
theme park? I found your
Yep.
cow in the Lego bin.
Hmm?
I found this in the Lego bin.
So, yep, it goes in the head. So, yeah, that's about it. Bye. Agent X out.